Good morning. It's day 4. Today's the last full day here that I have. I'll be here tomorrow, but checkout time is at noon. So I only got like half of a day tomorrow. So this is the last full day I got to find stuff. Depending on how tomorrow goes, I may just include it with this video. Pretty hungry because I just woke up. I think I'm gonna do something different this morning. I don't know why. I just wanted a greasy pan-fried cheeseburger this morning. I'm sure you can hear the crows crowing, squirrels squirreling. Check it out, not a cloud in the sky. What a great day to be outside in Texas. I don't get why people leave these things behind. Usually I pick up litter as I find it, but I'm not touching a damn COVID mask. It's just gross. I'd rather pick up a tampon, or I wouldn't pick that up either. Hear that high-pitched bird chirp? It's actually over here. In this tree and other trees around here, there's these little caterpillars, and they like to make like a cocoon, a nest out of the leaves. They'll ball them up and wrap them up in their silk web stuff, kind of like spider web. And the orange crown warbler, who's here for the winter, loves to eat these little caterpillars. We have 2 different types of orange crown warblers in the United States. There's the eastern, which has a more silver head and a greenish olive lower body, and then there's the western, who's solid olive greenish colored. I'll put pictures on the screen to show the differences. I probably just did it while I was talking. This particular one is an eastern, and you'll also notice how the eastern looks a lot like the Tennessee warbler. As the name implies, the male does have an orange crown. It's very rare to see it flared up. Getting a picture of it's even more rare. It's like harder than finding the rarest Pokemon card, and not all males actually have a visible orange crown. Well, this just made my day. Heck, may have made my week. Definitely made the video. Remember in the last camping trip, one of the previous videos I posted, I was telling you about the anhinga and how they can dive down and hold their breath, and they swim around and catch fish, and they'll spear them with their beak. I'm back over here with the same anhinga that I've been showing you because he likes to hang out in the same spot. I'm watching him fish because finally he's not just perched somewhere. He's going out and he's swimming around, and I'll see his head poke up and he'll go back down. And after a while he catches a small fish, and then I don't want to ruin it. I'm gonna let you watch. This ain't gonna be no short clip. It's gonna take a minute, but it's definitely worth watching. How funny is it that he can swim under the water and look through all this muck down there, and yet he drops a fish and he can't find it for a second? I thought that was hilarious. Once he flips it around, it's down his throat it goes. If I could say one thing to that Anhinga, I say thank you for existing. I'm on the wrong side of the sun to show you this. He's kind of backlit, but this alligator's got some battle damage on his back. Notice how he's missing some of his, are they scutes or scales? But check him out, he's got quite the teeth too. From the way it looks, it's pretty scarred over. I'm pretty sure he was attacked when he was young. Alligators do eat other alligators, so I'm willing to bet that another alligator grabbed hold of him at one point in his life. But as you can see, he's doing just fine right now. Remember previously when I showed you the purple gallinule, and it was the juvenile eating the seed, and I think there was another gallinule in the previous video before that. Well, I'm here at the exact same area, and check this out. There's no lily pads left. This is the exact same area that was coated in lily pads, completely covered. This is why I like coming to this place so often, because every couple months you get a whole different environment. It's just always evolving. Check it out. What I have here is armadillo eggs. This is a jalapeno stuffed with cheese, wrapped in a boneless chicken breast, wrapped in bacon. And this is a chunk of shrimp. This is a chunk of jalapeno stuffed with a shrimp with some cheese wrapped in bacon. Check it out. The tails are left on, but the rest of the shrimp's peeled. This gives you a handle to hold it by so that you can take a bite, peel it right off the tail. I made these up before the trip, and I'm gonna put them on the pit. And the way I'm gonna do it is slightly opposite the hot coals. That way I don't just scorch them and melt the cheese right out of them. I want the bacon to cook as well, and as we know, bacon takes a little longer to cook than it does to take to melt cheese. There you go. Simple and easy. I don't even know what to say for this. Come on, tell me that doesn't look amazing. I don't even know where to start. So here's my question. If the, geez, where are you going? If the chicken wrapped in jalapeno and cheese is called an armadillo egg, why don't this shrimp, bacon wrapped shrimp, have a name? Why don't we call it like octopus eggs or urchin eggs or, I don't know, sperm whale eggs? Probably not a good one. I mean, if chicken is called an armadillo egg, then shrimp, we're gonna call it a shark egg. There you go. And these shark eggs are delish. Today was pretty awesome. I got to show you the orange crown warbler digging for caterpillars and the little cocoon things, the leaves. I showed you the Anhinga that caught a fish. That's the most awesome sight ever. Look at this, it's just bacon. I don't even know where it came from. As much as I love coming to this place, I mean, I see so much different stuff. I'll probably be back after I check out and drop my stuff off. I'll probably come right back with my picture camera and take more pictures. But I love coming to this place. Every 2 to 3 months, it evolves into something else. I mean, remember the lily pads, and now there's no lily pads. The trees are gonna go from green to brown. We're getting from summer stuff to winter stuff, and then comes the spring migration. This place is constantly evolving, and every 2 to 3 months, there's a whole new set of wildlife. And this is why I come back here so often. And as much as I love camping here, I mean, I love sleeping in this hard-ass bed. I actually kind of do. It's something different. I like using the public shower a quarter mile away, walking through the cold to get to the shower. But the one thing I always miss on the last day, I start missing my own bed, my own shower, my own bathroom. I mean, my own toilet. I mean, geez, I'm over here playing musical toilets at the public bathroom with the other campers that are across the park. And then, the thing is, when I get home, I can't wait to come back. That's how this place affects me. I can't wait to go sleep in my own bed, but the next morning when I wake up, all I want to do is come back out here and look for more wildlife. I totally love showing you the birds and teaching you about birds. There's no other channel on YouTube that actually shows you birds and teaches you about them, and that's what my aim is to bring you. While eating bacon wrapped shrimp. While eating shark eggs. I'm gonna finish eating this, I'm gonna do some cleanup, and then I'm gonna set up the spotlight and go see what I can find in the dark. Be right back. Oh, if you wanna know what I like better, armadillo eggs or shark eggs, take your pick. They're equally as good. Found a rabbit. Got another rabbit. Check it out, found another armadillo. Where you going, buddy? Back at the cabin again. I went walking around looking for wildlife in the dark with my spotlight set up. I think I showed it in a previous video. If not, I'll put a picture over the screen right now. I'll put that picture anyways, because I think it's cool as hell. All I saw walking around was a few deer and some armadillos as usual. It's like 1:30 in the morning right now. I'm just gonna start packing my stuff up just in case it is raining in the morning. And the benefit of that is, as we know, I have to check out by noon, and if it's not raining, then this is just gonna give me more time to go explore some more tomorrow. If you wanna see more, subscribe for more. And if you see tomorrow's part in today's video, then you know it was raining. Thanks for watching. These guys are the masters of patience. I once watched one stare at a little spot in the water for about 45 minutes before it found a fish. Once a green heron knows that there's fish there, it'll wait for the perfect moment to strike. And as you can see here, it doesn't always catch the fish. I got all my stuff back in the truck, and of course the rain stops. So I think this is gonna be one of those days where you don't know if you're gonna get poured on or it's just gonna tease you all day. I'm just gonna try hiking different areas close to my truck. That way if it starts pouring on me, I can get back and not ruin my camera gear. Looks like a typical winter day.